Sometimes you gotta take it and pat it down, you see, and smooth it all around. Keep it strong, solid. Here for the permanent position. So I want her to not be able to see it until tomorrow. So I'm gonna cover it up a little bit, and then I'll have to build a ramp. Let's get this one up there. There's no way. And yeah, I'll figure out an exact spot. And then yeah, so for tomorrow we'll get the sauna fired up, nice and hot, and then I think we'll even have a little bonfire sitting right here. Mom wanted to have some birds on top of it, so we put the remaining cranberries up there. Those are shoes.